Greenhouse effect. Carbon dioxide in the atmosphere help to regulate the temperature on the earth by preventing badly. Atmosphere prevent heat energy near the earth's surface from escaping into the space. This is known as the greenhouse effect. The movement of heat between the earth's surface and the atmosphere help him to regulating the temperature on the earth. In another word, the balance between the sun heat that reaches the surface of the earth and the heat that is radiated back into the space determinate the temperature at the surface of the earth. Global warming. Introduction. The concept of global warming suggests that there will be increasing temperature on the earth's surface and the atmosphere. This is due to increasing amount of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. The sun is the main source of energy in the earth. Some of the heat that is reaches the earth from the sun is reflected back into the atmosphere. Gases in the atmosphere like carbon dioxide do not allow this heat to escape into space. Instead, the heat is held back and it's warm the atmosphere. Causes of ozone depletion. The depletion of ozone layer is mainly due to release of chlorofluorocarbon or CFCs from the earth's surface into the atmosphere. It poses a threat to the ozone layer. CFCs are widely used cooling fluid in a refrigerating system and air conditioner. Many harmful all over the world also used CFCs charges aerosol spray can as propelled. The CFC when released in air are transported by the vertical atmospheric circulation and reach the ozone in the stratosphere. It can convert the ozone into ordinary oxygen molecules. Thus, the concentration of ozone in the stratosphere is reduced. The ozone depletion result in the rise of temperature on the earth's surface. This causes global warming, acid rain, melting of continental glacier, rise in sea level, skin cancer, poisonous smoke, decrease in photosynthesis, ecological instability and disaster. Much of the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is produced through the natural process which include respiration and living organism, decomposition, plant and animal remain and chemical breakdown of matter. Volcanic eruption also release large amount of carbon dioxide in the air. However, the other process like the burning of fossil fuel, coal, petroleum and natural gas, smoke from vehicle, factories, etc. also increase the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Another source of increased carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is deforestation. Scientists has observed that the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is increasing by 1.5 part per million every year. The fossil fuels are mainly responsible for increasing carbon dioxide level. The scientists predict that the world temperature would rise by about 3.3 degrees Celsius by every 10 years. The doubling of the amount of carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere would raise the earth by average temperature by 3.5 degrees Celsius and 4.5 degrees Celsius. The possible increase in the world by temperature called global warming. Impact or effect of global warming. Global warming would adversely affect the ecosystem on the earth and the weather pattern around the world in the following ways. Number 1. If the temperature of the atmosphere increases the temperature of the ocean, which is involved in various phenomena, it also increases the ocean water becomes warm. Serious storm like hurricane become more common. Many areas in the world would experience changes in the rainfall pattern. Such changes would affect the agriculture. The increase in temperature would speed up the melting of glacier, ice cap and iceberg. In the farm northern and the southern part of the world. This could cause the flooding in the land in the coastal region. The rise in temperature can cause changes in the ocean current water in lakes and river on the earth's surface would evaporate faster. Such changes could change the habit of the organism. Those unable to adjust to these rapid changes may not be able to survive. Way to reduce global warming. The four major activity producing greenhouse gases are agriculture, energy use, industrial process and deforestation. Energy usage is considered to be a greater producer. However, some measures have been taken to retard the global warming process, such as uses of alternative energy sources in place of fossil fuel to make the energy demand of the ever increasing world population. Reduce deforestation, especially of the tropical rainforest, which uses much of the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere to carry out the photosynthesis and thus act as areas carbon sink. Plant trees serve in areas which have been cleaned for the construction of the houses, factories, park, etc. They help us in decreasing the carbon dioxide level. Find alternative material for used in polystyrene form and solving the reduce of the amount of CFCs released in the atmosphere. Reduce the quantity of chemical fertilizer for growing crops. This helps to reduce the amount of nitrogen oxide that enter the atmosphere. Importance of atmosphere. The components of the atmosphere are useful to us in various ways. Number 1, nitrogen maintains the fertility of the soil. Number 2, oxygen inhaled by all living things. Number 3, carbon dioxide is used by plants to produce food in the presence of sunlight. It also keeps the earth warm. 4th, ozone acts as a shield from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Next, water vapor in the atmosphere causes precipitation. Thank you.